Hey, this is Aaron.
And Blake, we're AB Data.
Thanks for walking through this Alteryx weekly challenge with us.
In this video, we're taking a look at weekly challenge number 225, How Long? We are tasked with creating an app that calculates the time that's passed between a user-specified date and the present. The user should be able to select the units of time in which the results are displayed. So we see that we don't have an input here. That's because we have to create our own. We're going to use a text input to do that, and we'll just call this field date. And I'll just put in, as a placeholder, today's date, which is the 20th of July, 2020. It's today's date for now. So we want our users to first be able to reach in and update that date. So we're going to need to go to our interface tool and grab a date tool, and we can say select your date for the calculation and connect that to our text input. We are just going to be updating that cell, so we don't need to do anything here. Next up, we're going to want to do this calculation of how long it's been in years, months, weeks, days, and hours. So we're going to do that using a formula tool. We're going to start out by adding one called a field called years. We're going to use our date time difference to find the difference between our date time today and our date field should be down here. Boop. And our units are going to be years. We're going to copy and paste this, do the same thing for months. We're going to add a column. We're going to call it months. Paste it and say months. We're going to do the same thing for weeks. It'll be a little bit different. We'll come back to this one in just a minute. We'll add another one for days. And then finally, we will add one for hours as well. And paste and hours. So for our weeks, we're going to do the same thing as what we did for days, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to round it. And we're going to say divided by 7, but we're going to round it to the nearest one. Let's update our date here to be actually a week ago, just so we can run and make sure that all our numbers look correct here. So 1 week ago, 7 days, 168 hours. Let's go ahead and update that to 2019, 7/20, just to take a look here and make sure everything looks good. So 1 year ago, or 12 months, 52 weeks, 366 days, since we did have a leap day this year, or 8,700 hours. Sounds pretty good to me. So next up, we need to allow our users to reach in and select which of these fields they want. So we can do that using a select tool, along with a list box. So let's connect our list box to our select tool here real quick. Our list box, we're going to say select the units you would like displayed. For our list values, we're going to manually set our values. We don't have that many. We're going to say years, months, weeks, days, and hours. We are going to update our select with a multi-select list box. So let's take a look here and see what we have on our interface designer. So it's looking pretty good so far. I think that finally we can go ahead and we can browse to see our results. Let's say view your results. We need to go to our interface designer. Oops, wrong button. We need to go to our interface designer, And we need to make sure to tell Alteryx that we want to display the results from that browse tool number 50, which is also our view our results button. So let's say file save. And I'm going to call this for the video. All right, now let's run our app. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and toss in some reporting tools as well. Well, we'll do that in a minute. Let's take a look here and see what we get. So let's look 2 weeks ago. Select weeks, days, and hours. Oh, we'll select all of them. Say finish. We'll see that was 2 weeks ago, 14 days, 336 hours. But what if I want to have a nice little table to go with this as well? Let's go ahead and grab a table tool and quickly create a table. We don't need to do anything here. And then we're also going to have a render tool. And we can say that we want to render a temporary composer file, which is just going to be a real simple little PCXML that we can save as a PDF or a docx or an XLSX or really any type of Microsoft file. So let's go ahead and hit save here and run our app one more time. And I'm going to look back to May the 4th. We'll say all and finish. And it's going to tell me that I can view my results where it was 2 months ago or 11 weeks or 77 days. Or I can, hit finish one more time. Or I can look at my results here from my little temporary file. And I'll have a PCXML that's been created that shows the same information here.
Thank you for learning with us today. Good luck on your Alteryx journey.
For more information on custom training, managed service automations, and more, please visit our website at abdataconsulting.com.